Today we're going to be talking about how to make some serious cash on YouTube. That's right, forget everything you thought you knew about boring investment strategies. We're about to unlock the secrets to turning your passion into a money-making machine. Get ready to learn how to turn those views into dollars because we're about to break it down step by step. Let's do this. First things first, you gotta figure out what you're gonna be known for on YouTube. What's your jam? What's that one thing that makes you tick that you can talk about for hours without getting bored? What gets you fired up? What's that topic that lights a fire in your belly and makes you want to share it with the world? This is super important because you gotta be passionate about what you're doing if you want to make it big. Passion is the fuel that will keep you going even when things get tough. Plus, picking the right niche can make all the difference when it comes to raking in those views. It's not just about what you love, but also about what others are interested in. Think of it like this. If you're super into gaming, you're gonna be way more stoked to make videos about the latest games than like knitting. Your enthusiasm will be contagious, and the more stoked you are, the more stoked your viewers will be. They'll feel your energy and excitement, and that's what will keep them coming back for more. But hold up, there's more to it than just picking something you like. You also need to think strategically. You also got to make sure there's an audience for it. It's crucial to find that sweet spot where your passion meets a demand. Do some digging, see what's trending, and find a niche that's got a good balance of passion and popularity. Look at what's working for others and see how you can put your unique spin on it. Trust me, it's worth it to put in the time to find that sweet spot. It might take some effort, but the payoff will be worth it. Once you've got your niche locked in, it's time to start thinking about how you're gonna stand out from the crowd. What's your unique angle? There are a ton of YouTubers out there, so you gotta bring something fresh to the table. Think about what makes you different and how you can highlight that in your content. Get creative, think outside the box, and don't be afraid to experiment. Try different formats, styles, and approaches until you find what works best for you. Remember, the goal is to create content that's so good, people can't help but hit that subscribe button. Make them feel like they can't afford to miss out on what you're offering. Alright, now that you've got your niche figured out, it's time to do a little recon. This step is crucial for understanding the landscape you're about to dive into. Don't worry, I'm not talking about anything illegal here. We're just gathering some intel to help you succeed. We're going to be checking out the competition, but not in a creepy way. Think of it as a learning experience. The goal here is to learn from the best. By observing what successful channels are doing, you can pick up valuable insights. Find the top performing channels in your niche and really study what they're doing. Look at their content, their style, and their engagement. What kind of videos are they making? Are they tutorials, vlogs, reviews, or something else entirely? How often are they uploading? Consistency is key, so take note of their schedule. What's their editing style like? Is it fast-paced, cinematic, or more laid back? Pay attention to everything, even the little details. These small elements can make a big difference. You can learn a lot from watching the pros, and you might even get some inspiration for your own content. Inspiration can strike from the most unexpected places. But here's the thing, you don't want to just copy what everyone else is doing. Imitation might be flattering, but it's not the path to success. You got to put your own spin on it. Your unique perspective is what will set you apart. Take what you learn from the big dogs and make it your own. Adapt their strategies to fit your style and voice. Add your own personality, your own style, your own unique flavor. This is what will make your content resonate with viewers. That's what's going to make you stand out from the crowd and attract a loyal following. People are drawn to authenticity and originality. Remember, people want to see something original, something authentic. They want to connect with the real you. So don't be afraid to be yourself. Let your freak flag fly and have fun with it. Enjoying the process will make your content more engaging. The more you enjoy the process, the more it's going to show in your videos and the more people are going to connect with you. Passion is contagious. It's all about creating that genuine connection, and that starts with being true to yourself. Authenticity is the foundation of a strong, loyal audience. Listen up, because this is crucial. If you want to make it big on YouTube, you gotta bring the heat with original content. Think of it like this. YouTube is like a giant buffet, and viewers are hungry for something delicious and different. If you're serving up the same old tired dishes that everyone else is, they're gonna walk right past you. But if you've got something unique and exciting on the menu, something that makes their mouths water just looking at it, they're gonna be lining up to get a taste. So how do you create original content? It starts with your brain, my friend. Get those creative juices flowing, brainstorm ideas, and don't be afraid to think outside the box. What's something that nobody else is doing? What's a new angle you can take on a popular topic? What's a crazy, outlandish idea that just might work? Don't be afraid to experiment, to try new things, and to push the boundaries. The more you experiment, the more you'll discover your own unique voice and style. And that's what's going to make you stand out from the crowd. Remember, originality is king and queen on YouTube. So bring your A game, be fearless, and create content that's so good it blows people's minds. Alright, let's talk about the numbers game, because if you want to monetize your channel, you gotta hit those magic milestones. It's not just about creating content, it's about understanding the metrics that drive your channel's growth. YouTube's got rules, and to join the YouTube Partner Program, you gotta have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. These benchmarks are set to ensure that your channel has a solid foundation and a dedicated audience. That's right, 4,000 hours. It might sound daunting, but it's achievable with the right strategy and consistent effort. That's a whole lot of content people gotta be glued to their screens for. Think about it, every minute someone spends watching your video adds up. But don't let that scare you, because we're gonna break it down. First up, subscribers. These are the lifeblood of your channel. These are your loyal fans. The ones who are hitting that subscribe button because they can't get enough of your content. They believe in what you're creating and want to see more. To get more subscribers, you gotta give people a reason to subscribe. This means understanding your audience and delivering what they crave. Create high-quality, engaging content that keeps them coming back for more. Invest in good equipment, learn editing skills, and always strive to improve. Promote your channel on social media, collaborate with other YouTubers, and leverage every opportunity to get your name out there. And interact with your viewers in the comments. Engagement is key. It shows that you value their input and builds a stronger connection. Make them feel like they're part of a community, and they'll be more likely to stick around. Host live Quandas, create community posts, and make your viewers feel involved. Now let's talk about watch time. This metric is crucial for your channel's success. This one's all about keeping people hooked. The longer they watch, the better it is for your channel. Your videos need to be so captivating, so entertaining, so darn right irresistible that people can't help but watch them all the way through. Think of each video as a story that needs to keep the viewer engaged from start to finish. That means nailing your intros. The first few seconds are critical in grabbing attention, keeping your content tight and engaging. Avoid unnecessary fluff and get straight to the point, and ending with a bang. Leave your viewers wanting more, and they'll be more likely to watch your next video. Think about it, if your videos are boring or slow-paced, people are going to click away faster than you can say monetization. Retention is key, so step up your game, keep it snappy, and give the people what they want. Consistency, quality, and engagement are your best friends on this journey. You've put in the work, you've hit those magic numbers, and now it's time to cash in. That's right, we're talking about joining the YouTube Partner Program and finally seeing those dollar signs. Once you've got 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, head over to your YouTube studio and click on the monetization tab. From there, you'll need to sign up for an AdSense account, agree to YouTube's terms and conditions, and wait for their review. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. Just make sure your channel follows all of YouTube's guidelines and you'll be good to go. Once you're approved, you can start earning money from ads on your videos. But hold up, there's more. Joining the YouTube Partner Program also unlocks a whole bunch of other cool features, like channel memberships, super chat, and merchandise shelves. These are all awesome ways to diversify your income and make even more money from your content. But remember, it's not all about the money. While it's definitely awesome to get paid for your hard work, don't lose sight of why you started making videos in the first place. Stay true to your passion, keep creating awesome content, and the money will follow. Alright, you've conquered the world of ads, but don't think for a second that's the only way to monetize your YouTube empire. We're about to dive into a whole new realm of money-making opportunities, so buckle up. First up, let's talk merch. Got a killer logo, a catchphrase that's spreading like wildfire? Turn that brand recognition into cold, hard cash by selling merch directly to your loyal fans. T-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, you name it, the possibilities are endless. Next, we've got memberships, the VIP section of your YouTube channel. Offer exclusive perks to your most dedicated fans like badges, emojis, members-only content, and even live chats. It's a great way to foster a sense of community and give back to your biggest supporters. And last but not least, let's talk sponsorships. As your channel grows, brands will be knocking on your door, eager to collaborate and get their products in front of your audience. Just make sure you partner with brands that align with your values and that you genuinely believe in. Remember, authenticity is key. So there you have it, a whole buffet of monetization options beyond just ads. Get creative, explore your options, and find what works best for you and your channel. The sky's the limit. So there you have it, folks. You've got the knowledge, you've got the tools, now go out there and turn your YouTube dreams into a reality. Remember, success on YouTube takes time, effort, and a whole lot of hustle. But with passion, dedication, and a little bit of luck, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content.